Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video, we will unbox the all new Infinix Hot 30 Play, which is a new mid-range phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around 50,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and this phone is made in Pakistan, which is a really nice thing. And the color I have is the black color. So you can see at the box, looks very different from the previous Hot 12 Plays. So now let's quickly remove the plastic. And guys, on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 6000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. On the front we have 6.8 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a slim and a glass feel like design. Again, we have 16GB of RAM with 8GB extended RAM feature. Also we have a iron triangle 2.0, and on the back we have a 16 megapixel main camera, and this phone is powered by all new MediaTek Helio G37 SoC. On the front we have 8 megapixel selfie camera with a dual LED flash. We have 6000 mAh battery size again. So now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Hot 30 Play. And this phone also support NFC. So here is our device, Infinix Hot 30 Play in the black color. So now let's start the phone from this plastic. And as you can see, here is the Infinix Hot 30 Play. It looks like in the black color. So on the back we have a glossy finish. We have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main, and then we have 1 megapixel which is a depth sensor. We have LED flash, and the camera layout looks very similar, inspired from iPhone 14 Pro series. At the back it is made up of plastic. As well as the frame of this phone, we have a completely flat frame. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed. So now let's see what tests we get and then the phone. So first thing, we are getting a SIM injection tool. Also we get a soft silicone case, and guys, we also get headphones inside the box which you don't find from any other brand. And here is our cable, which is a USB Type-C cable, 18 watt fast charger with the Infinix Hot 30 Play. So now let's put all these things to the side and also get the Infinix Hot 30 Play. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So guys, inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. And again, I'm seeing this phone as a really beautiful and expensive phone, but still this phone is costing around only 50,000 PKR. But the way this phone is designed, this phone looks very expensive. So on the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back. So on the top we does not have any noise cancellation microphones. So on the right we have volume up and volume down hooker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. So now let's look at the display. And guys, on the front we have a 6.8 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole, and the bottom chain, it is not really big. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix Hot 30 Play. And guys, and first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display. So here is the notification area looks like. So now let's go high brightness, max brightness. So display looks really bright. Again, this phone also has a NFC, which is a nice thing. So now let's go my phone. So this phone is running on latest Android 13. Also we have XOS version 12.6. We have MediaTek Helio G37 SoC with 8GB of RAM. This phone has 128GB of internal storage, and out of 23.57GB it is already used in this phone. So now let's look at the fingerprint scanner. This phone has fingerprint scanner inside the power button, as you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, works really fast. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, then we have a depth sensor. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 1440p support. We also have a slow motion. We have beauty mode, portrait mode, AR shot. And guys, I don't see any night mode on this phone, which is a really disappointing thing. So now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. So here's the selfie camera looks like, and the selfie camera looks really decent, especially for a 8 megapixel selfie camera. We have our beauty mode, portrait mode, and video modes, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. And again on the front I don't see any night mode or any slow motion. So guys, now let's talk about the battery size, and this phone has a pretty large 6000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging, and this one should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. This phone will take over 2 hours to fully charge. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.